So this is a tutorial on how to stain a cheek cell. So you're going to need methylene blue, which is this. You're going to need some slides. You're going to need some toothpicks. You're going to need distilled water with a little syringe thing and some cover slips. Okay, so first step is you're going to get a slide, a clean slide. If it's dirty, just rinse it off with some water and clean it off with a towel. Then you're going to get some distilled water and you're going to take your clean slide and you're going to put 1 drop of distilled water in the middle of the slide, and it doesn't have to be a lot, just enough to get a decent sized drop in the middle of it. Then you're going to take your toothpick and you're going to rub it on your cheek, and you don't want to do it too hard to where you're going to hurt yourself, just enough to get some cheek cells on there. Then after you do that, you're going to take the side of the toothpick that you rubbed around your cheek and you're going to rub it around in your drop of distilled water on your slide. After you've done that, you're going to take your methylene blue and you're going to put a drop right over the top of your distilled water where you just rubbed around your toothpick. You don't need much. There is plenty, and you're actually going to have to remove some of it. So after you've done that, you're going to take your cover slip, and the way you put it on is really important. You want to make sure that you put it at an angle. So you're going to put it at the edge of your liquid and whatever else that's on your slide, and you're going to lower it down at an angle very slowly. This will help with air bubbles, and once you get really close, you can just let it go, and it should fall right into place. Now that you've done all that, you are on to your getting rid of your excess dye. So you're going to take your slide and you're going to tilt it at a slight angle, and you're going to drop 1 drop of distilled water at the right edge of your cover slip. And then you're going to take a paper towel and you're going to put it at each edge, just barely touch it to the edge of your cover slip, and you'll see the excess dye flush out and kind of suction into the paper towel, and that's what you're doing the paper towel for. And once you've done that, your slip is ready and you can put it on the microscope, and this is what you should see. That's what the methylene blue is for, so it dyes your cheek cells so that you can actually see what you wouldn't be able to see without the dye, because they're transparent. And that's how to do a cover slip for cheek cells.